Today we'll talk about how can you disable your messages notifications on your Hang app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on your photo profile down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on push notifications. You just click on it. Then you come to next here. You come here to your messages. Click in this sign of this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean your messages notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.